Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to speed up low-end PC for gaming. Optimizing a low-end PC for gaming requires tweaking system settings and ensuring resources are used efficiently. Follow these steps to enhance gaming performance. First, optimize Windows 11 settings. Enable Game Mode. Open the Settings, Gaming, Game Mode. Toggle Game Mode on to prioritize gaming performance. Adjust visual effects. Press Win plus R, then type the codes link in the description below, and press Enter. Go to Advanced, Performance, Settings, then choose Adjust for best performance, or customize by disabling unnecessary animation. Next, upgrade your drivers. Update graphics drivers. Use your GPU manufacturer's link in the description below. NVIDIA. Install and update via GeForce Experience. AMD. Use AMD Adrenalin software. Intel. Use the Intel driver and Support Assistant. Update system drivers. Open Settings, Windows Update, and check for driver updates. If there's one, click Install. Next, lower in-game settings. Graphics settings. Set graphics to low or medium in-game. Disable high demand settings like anti-aliasing, shadows, and volumetric lighting. Resolution. Lower the game resolution, for example, 720p for better performance. Next, adjust power settings. Enable high performance mode. Go to Control Panel, Hardware and Sound, Power Options, then choose High Performance, or create a custom plan. Next, ensure proper cooling. Keep your PC cool to prevent thermal throttling by ensuring proper airflow. Next, free up system resources. Close unnecessary programs. Just open Task Manager by clicking Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape and end unnecessary tasks. Disable startup apps. In Task Manager, go to the Startup tab and disable non-essential apps. Clear temporary files. Press Win plus R, then type temp, click Continue, and then click Ctrl plus A, then click Delete icon to delete the files in the folder. Repeat with these codes. This code is in the description below, and make sure it is all selected, and click on Delete. Next, optimize storage. Free up disk space. Use Storage Sense under Settings, System, Storage to automatically clean up files. Defragment hard drives. Search for defragment and optimize drivers on your settings. Choose your HDD and click Optimize to optimize it. Next, use gaming specific tools. Install game boosters. Use tools like Razer Cortex to optimize PC performance for gaming. Next, upgrade your hardware. Upgrade to SSD. Replace your HDD with an SSD to reduce load times. Add more RAM. Aim for at least 8GB of RAM for smoother gaming. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.